Hey guys, welcome back to PED 110. So great news for you. You've got an off week this week. So your next assignment's not due until July 10th. So nothing is due the week of the 4th of July. Use that time to hang out with friends, family, and just enjoy whatever it is that you enjoy doing. But use that time for you. That's part of being well is um, making sure that you take the time to intentionally celebrate you and to just take a break and unwind from the hustle and bustle of our everyday lives. So make note of this now. Your next assignments are due July 10th. Okay, you've got your checklist for Chapter 8, this video here, the PowerPoint, the quiz, and your lab, and then same thing for Chapter 9. Checklist, PowerPoint, quiz, lab, and then also the physical activity monitoring report. Then after that, guys, we've got 2 weeks left. One more week of content, and then a week for the final exam, and that wraps up the summer session. So it goes by quickly. With that being said, most of you have done an outstanding job of completing all assignments. However, as I've said before, sometimes life happens and we just overlook an assignment, or we get busy and we get distracted and we just skip something or we miss something. Please use this off week to get caught up on any work that you're missing. Okay, I will let you go back and complete anything. Just shoot me an email when you've completed all missing assignments that you intend to make up, so I know to remove the zero so you can get credit for the assignment. But again, you'll have to notify me if that is the case. Again, that won't apply to many of you because most of you have done everything. In fact, I think as a class we're sitting at about a 93 average, which is about as high as I've ever had. So great job. Keep it up. Guys, be safe over the 4th of July. Like I said, enjoy your time with your friends, family, and loved ones. Enjoy the time off from the schoolwork. And we'll get back to it with assignments due on July 10th. Take care.